Hi everyone! So we are going to do a sequence mix. 2 years ago, I hosted a Valentine's Day swap. So I stuck some of the sequins in here, and I'm going to kind of go through and see which ones I want to mix together to make my own sequence mix out of. So it's kind of like, let's use what we have in our stash. Plus, we get to see what other people put in there, so it gives us some ideas of what all we can add in our little sequence mix. Oh, this one's full of seed beads. See, I don't think I've ever put seed beads into my sequence mix. So this one has hearts and a bunch of seed beads and small sequins, and then, you know, these heart-shaped sequins that say love on them. And, oh, I like those little heart ones right there. So, see, that's why I wanted to go through this. I'm like, let's see what other people put. Like, when you're looking at it this way, you can kind of see, but not really. So, I'm not going to dump this one because this one has blue in there. And I want to stick with just, like, classic red, white, and pink. And this one has black in there. So, I'm going to save that one. Oh, you know what? This one has like those little dewdrops that I just got on clearance from Hobby Lobby. So this has this in there. Oh, that's interesting. I would have never have thought to dump this in there. Oh, you know what? I was going to save these and put them like in my little like vase just for decoration. But I think I remember somebody painting them green and using them as like cauldron bubbles. So I'm going to save some of those. This one I think has black in there. Yes, it does. So we're going to save that one. I do have these that I bought at Hobby Lobby this year. So I'm going to dump some of this in there. Oh, yeah, I like how that looks together. You know what I wish I would have pulled out was Dollar Tree sells, I like how that looks already just like that. I would add a little bit more white to this. Dollar Tree sells these little like tube confettis. I wish I would have pulled some of that out, but I don't see any around here. Oh, this has like really small little like glitter stuff. I'm going to save that one. Oh, I like this bag on this one. These little candy pieces can be found, like this packaging can be found at Hobby Lobby in the party section. I think you get 4 pieces for like $1.99. This one has a lot of small little white pieces as well. I'm going to dump this in here because like I said, I did feel like it needed a little bit more white to it. So we are going to go ahead and dump this one in there as well. I wish I knew where I had my little Dollar Tree little confetti tubes at, because I would love to dump that in here. I'm trying to look around and I don't see any. Oh, that was a lot of white. Maybe I shouldn't have dumped the whole thing like I did. That was a lot more white than I thought it was going to be. Oh, I spilled some. Oh, there's like a little X in here. How cute. Okay, so I got all of that. Dropping some of this. Let's see what else do I have. Oh, cute. This has like little Mickey clay heads in here, but it's got like yellow and purple. Oh, I have some of these like little love letter sequins inside. I'm going to go get some of that. Oh, look, here's some more red. Oh, this has purple in it. See, I just want the red pieces. I don't want the purple that's in here. So I'm going to have to just carefully not include the like purple in there. So I might have to like dig through that a little bit later. Let's see what else we got. This has sequins, seed beads, little hearts. There's some gold in there. Should I dump this? I think I'll dump this one in there. Oh, it's on like little Nomi paper. Oh, I remember that. I think I got a card in there too. Oh my gosh, this is so much, just dumping it all together. There's so much. I want to pull out some more of those hearts though. Oh, look, there's some more hearts right here. So you just go through what you have and just start adding it all together. What's in here? Oh, these are big red butterflies. I remember these. I wanted to save these, put them on Chunky Charms because there is holes right there in the center. So I am going to leave that in this little bag. I think this was in like spread in the packaging, and I like picked out all the little butterflies and I saved them because I knew I wanted to do that. Oh, look, this one's going to be nice to add in there. Oh, there's little cupids in here. How cute. See, there's some more of these like little love letters. I love that. I have some of that inside. Oh, look, there was, oh, I dropped it. There was like these little cupcakes right here. Oh, these hearts. Those would be nice to add to a little Chunky Charm too, because I got a little hole in there. But we'll dump that in there. What else is in here? There's like these, I don't even know what these are called. They're just like these little like plastic clear tubey pieces. That's really cool. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Oh my gosh, look, I have like a big old mix right there. I'm going to save this one as it is. I really love that one just the way it is. So I'm going to put that one aside. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I have, oh, this one has a bunch of little like fine little stars. There's like green and purple and other colors, so we're going to put that one aside. I'm going to try to stick with just the classic colors. Ooh, look, this has XOs in black. Love that. I'm going to stick this over here. See, so I could do like a whole another mix and add these together because these have the black in them. So I might pull out another bowl and do that. Oh, this is, what is this? Like glitter glass. So that I'm going to leave there. Let's see what else I have in this bag. That's pretty much it. I have this little lippy, but there's a lot of blue in there. Oh, look, these like little micro beads. Oh, you know what else I can add is some, what is that called? Like diamond dots. I don't see any diamond dots in here. Yeah, see, I don't see any diamond dots, so some diamond dots would work in here. I want to add some more of this in here too. Let's put some more of those in there. And then I want to add some more of these. So I'm going to have to, like I said, pick some of these red out. Just to make sure I don't get any of that glitter. Oh, look, these actually have holes on top too. So I could use these right there, add a little jump ring and use that on Chunky Charms as well. Or even these open hearts can be used on Chunky Charms too. And then, see, I'm just going to like put them in my hand. Start tossing them in here. Trying to take out just the purple pieces. But yeah, I hope that gives you some ideas on what you could go ahead and add to your Valentine's Day sequence mix. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Let me know, are you guys going to be crafting for Valentine's Day? I really want to. I didn't do any last year, so I definitely want to go ahead and do that this year. I don't know what I'm going to create yet. Definitely a Chunky Charm. I should save some of these too, but I'm loving the red. You know what? In these like circle sequins, I don't see, oh, there's a couple of red. Yeah, there's not very many red. So I might add some of that. I really want to find those little tubies, so I might have to go buy some because I don't think I have any. Oh, there's a little gold ball in here. What is this? Oh yeah, it's just a little gold ball. Like no hole, so it's not a bead. That's interesting. Oh, this is just a gold little flat back. That's a cute idea. I didn't think about that. Maybe I should add some gold in here. But yep, there is our little mix. That is just our little video of like use up your stash. And then look, I still have a ton of leftover sequins that I can still use for another project, because here's all my black. I got some with blue and yellow. So, oh, I like these. Look at that, like a little like circle. Love that. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.